One of the first things you should do when preparing is deciding which colors you are going to use. Now I will show you one method using a web-based tool that will generate color scheme for you. Now first thing you do is pick your base color or base colors. Now it's easier if you start with just one base color, and I have got this image open, this beautiful image that I found on the School of Webcraft page, and we are going to use that both as the header for our web page, and we're also going to use it to we're going to base the color scheme on this one. So I have www.colorspire.com open. As you can see here, there are several colors you can pick, and a preview of a web page, the different colors. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to the GIMP and pick the colors I think look best. So I want a light color for the background. This one will do nicely, I think. So double click so I can copy the value here. Go back to the Colorspire web page, and here I can select the portion of the web page I want to color and enter it here. So you can see light blue background. Now we are going to use the gradient for that later, but for now, just to see how things will look like, we will just use a solid color. So the second one is I think the heading. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. And I want to use dark blue for that. Actually, we are going to use this top part of the image as the header. So really no need for a solid color, but the heading color is actually what we are going to use for the menu, also as a gradient. So here, enter this. Oh, sorry, it's the wrong color. I guess I forgot to copy it. Yeah. Like that. Now at the bottom I want a shade of this red here. See, that will do nicely, I think. That will also be a gradient. There we go. And for the body text, now you can see here are two columns, but we are only going to have a visual appearance of one column. We've got several, but the background behind it is all white. There's no different colors and no margin between here, as you see. So let's see this. Yeah, okay, like that. And finally the color for the background. So let's look at this. It's some kind of grayish white. Okay, let's go with this for both this part and this part. Okay, so now we have our very basic color scheme, but I can already see that these colors are going to look quite right together, and that's where I will be starting from. So that's one way to generate color scheme. There are several online color tools. There's also Color Hunter. Just going to quickly show you. Okay, yeah. So you can upload an image here, and then from that image it will from that image it will generate a color scheme. So this one here, upload it. See, and this is what it proposes. We're not going to go with this, but this would work as well. Like you see, as you can see, there's brown here. Well, we are not going to use that brown because we are going to cut off this bottom portion in one of the next steps. What you can also do is take a look at artwork, like paintings and things like that. Then see what colors the artist uses. Look around on web pages. So there are several sources of inspiration you can use to create your color scheme. But most importantly, I think, is practicing a lot.